What's up, guys? It's your boy Zero. So today I'm going to be talking about a trade I took when ICT message to watch out for the level 18682, which is this candle right here. But before that, I want to talk about the 9:30 open. On the left side is the trade I took right in London session, and I already won. So I was just watching for the 9:30. I didn't want to take the trade because I don't want to be greedy because I've been greedy before and I've lost so badly. I've blown so many accounts because of greed. So you gotta control your impulses, right? Um, so my before I took this trade, my bias has always been bearish, right? Because you can see it clearly in a higher time frame. Like I mentioned before, we've been trending down, and so the price at 8:30 bounced in this 15-minute breaker and it is trending down again. So you can see it clearly in a 5-minute chart. So you can see it here, relatively equal low. This is a sell side liquidity market structure shift created this fair value gap right here. And this right here is a bearish breaker. Higher high, right? This is a bearish breaker right here. Market structure shift bounced to the fair value gap. If you want extra confirmation, it created another fair value gap right here when the price went down, bounced in the midnight open price. Right? You could have entered here, put your stop loss right here, you would have been fine. And then it broke all the way to the level that we created because this is a relatively equal, right? That's another sell side liquidity. And then the higher time frame sell side liquidity that we mark didn't tap it. So I was just watching this price. I was itching to jump into this trade, but um, with every trade, there's always a chance to lose. So I want to end up a winner on that day. But while I was enjoying my day, ICT message in the Telegram to watch out for this candle right here. Let's go to a 1-minute chart. So he messaged around 11:25 11:25 a.m. Around this candle. So I was already looking at this price. And the thing with ICT is he would tell you a level, right? But the problem is when do you enter in that trade? Because he mentioned so many levels that, and if your timing is wrong, you're gonna lose your drawdown. So when he messaged that, um, price already created, see, price already created this breaker. Lower, low, low, high, low. This is a breaker right here. 1 minute breaker, bullish breaker. And there's always a risk that you're gonna lose because if you enter where I entered, um, if the price went down, then because of this fair value gap right here, but it tried earlier, but it didn't. So I believe this was a breakaway um, fair value gap. And so when this created this right here is a propulsion block, and then when it tapped that fair value gap, created this another propulsion block. That's when I decide to enter. This is one of my favorite um, entries because it's a low risk and high reward, right? So if we try to trade here right now, I traded four, right? Let's see how much it is rejected because it's the weekend. Sorry about that. But anyways, I think my risk here is about 250 and the reward is 1,000. So that's one is to four, right? So um, I took that trade and then I won. And I broke my promise that I wasn't gonna trade that day, but you know, ICT said something, so I have to go go with it. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe.